As you embark on your journey to start a printing business in the Philippines, let's dive into the essential details. For startup costs, you'll need inkjet printers for posters, priced at approximately 10,000 pesos each. DTG printers for t-shirts can be acquired at 50,000 pesos each, assuming one printer, and large format printers for signage and billboards at an estimated 70,000 pesos each. The total startup costs amount to 130,000 pesos. You can use any laptop and free graphic design software like Canva. It helps if you can design, however, it is not compulsory since most of your customers will send you their ready-made designs to just print. To attract political campaign teams and large-scale advertisers, you should employ a strategy that includes networking at relevant events, establishing an online presence through a professional website and social media, conducting targeted email campaigns, sending direct mail, forming partnerships with industry players, sponsoring events, and engaging in cold calling with follow-ups. This multifaceted approach aims to showcase the printing business's services, reliability, and quality output to secure contracts and ongoing business opportunities. As for t-shirts, target large companies that have large employees with different color codes per department. Also, reach out to schools and construction companies, as both usually change their staff t-shirt design every new year. That will be your opportunity to get your foot in the door. Regarding revenue projections, assuming 10 customers per week for each printing package, revenue per day sums up to 500 pesos for 10 posters, 2,000 pesos for 10 t-shirts, and 5,000 pesos for 10 business signages, resulting in a daily revenue of 7,500 pesos. There is an extra revenue source if you learn how to print car wrap designs for companies to use on company vehicles, target transportation companies, telecom giants like PLDT and Globe, and government utility vehicles for municipalities and barangays. Typical car wraps cost 40,000 per vehicle, some costs higher depending on vehicle size. The designs last about a year before wear and tear forces them to change the wrap, so if you do a good job, you are guaranteed a return customer. Monthly revenue would be 225,000 pesos and yearly revenue 2,700,000 pesos. Your printing business has the potential to generate approximately 2.7 million pesos in yearly revenue. Remember to adapt your strategy, provide excellent customer service, and keep your ink cartridges full. Best of luck with your printing venture!